As an Amway direct seller, you can earn money by retailing Amway products to the consumers. You can also register consumers as your preferred customer who can order and receive products directly through Amway. You can also introduce new people to the business and create a sales team that can replicate the above activities and earn money. In the Amway business, you can earn money, get recognition, and also get invitation for business trips by selling quality Amway products. The first way that you can earn money in the Amway business is through retail margin, which is the difference between your selling price and your purchase price, also known as DAP. As an Amway direct seller, you determine the price you charge up to maximum retail price or MRP for the products. When you sell products to consumers above DAP, you keep the retail margin. The second way that you can earn money is through trade discount given to Amway direct seller when they purchase products from Amway for retailing. The third way to earn money is through the direct seller sales plan. Amway offers an attractive reward program to recognize and reward your hard work and achievements. You generate points on products purchased to resell. The commissions that Amway gives are based on the points generated through product sales by you and the sales team that you may build. There are various types of commission that can be earned. As mentioned earlier, you generate points on products purchased to resell. The more products you resell, the more points you generate, the more commission you earn. For example, if you and your sales team generate 100 points, you get a monthly commission of 6%. If you and your team generate 500 points, you get a monthly commission of 9%. The percentage commission increases as you generate more points and goes up to 21%. Your success is seen by your customers and others, and they may also want to join as Amway direct seller. You can make them a part of your sales team and they can replicate your selling efforts to earn money. However, it's important to know that commissions only get generated when you resell Amway products. Amway does not pay any commission for the sheer act of building the sales team without any product sales. The screen shows an example where you have achieved 6% commission level in the Amway business and have a sales team and some preferred customer. You have sold products worth 52 points. And you have two teams, A and B, who have sold products of 50 and 23 points respectively. You have also some preferred customers or PCs who have bought products worth 120 points. Your total team points are 245. The commissions that you earn are personal performance commission, which is for the points that you have earned, and sales commission, which is for the points that your team has earned. Along with that, you also earn the retail profit and the trade discounts for eligible orders. In this case, the total earnings are 1,542 rupees excluding the trade discount that you get. Amway also has activation offers for new direct seller which may change from time to time to stay relevant. In this example, you as a new direct seller qualify for the first purchase offer as you have purchased products worth 50 points, and under this offer can get products worth 1,139 rupees for 1 rupee. For more details on the first purchase offer, please visit www.amway.in. In this example, you have reached the 9% level as you and your team has earned 535 team points. The personal performance commission that you earn is 1,080 rupees. The sales commission that you earn is 1,452 rupees. And the retail's profit that you earn is 1,056 rupees. So the total earnings are 3,588 rupees excluding trade discounts. Amway also has a special offer for the new 9% level achievers, which may change from time to time to stay relevant. In this example, you as a direct seller who has reached the 9% level and have a team which is 6% or above, you are eligible to avail the step-up offer in which you can get 1,000 rupees cashback. For more details on the Step Up offer, please visit www.amway.in. The screen shows an example where you have achieved 11% commission level in the Amway business and have a sales team and some preferred customer. You have reached this 11% level as you and your team has earned 1,505 team points. The personal performance commission that you earn is 1,320 rupees. The sales commission that you earn is 4,844 rupees. And the retail profits that you earn is 1,056 rupees. So the total earnings are 7,220 rupees, excluding trade discounts. The screen shows an example where you have achieved 13% commission level in the Amway business and have a sales team and some preferred customers. You have reached this 13% level as you and your team has earned 2,620 team points. The personal performance commission that you earn is 3,120 rupees. The sales commission that you earn is 10,112 rupees. And the retail profits that you earn is 2,112 rupees. So the total earnings are 15,344 rupees, excluding trade discounts. You can reach 15% commission level in the business if you have earned more than 4,000 team points. In this example, you and your team have earned 5,510 points. The personal performance commission earned sums up to 6,000. The sales commission that you earn is 17,360 rupees. The retail profits that you earn is 3,520 rupees. And so the total earnings are 26,880 rupees excluding trade discount. When you reach the 15% level and meet certain criteria, you are invited to a Star 15% Recognition Forum conducted by Amway. You can reach the 21% commission level in the business by earnings more than 10,000 team points. In this example, you have reached the 21% commission level as you and your team have earned 10,755 points. Your total earnings in this example are 79,804 rupees excluding trade discounts, which is 4,000 rupees.